Hello everyone. In this video, we'll give you an overview of business impact analysis, BIA. Imagine a situation. A cyber attack shuts down your ERP system for 24 hours. Which business function must be restored first? Payroll, customer service, treasury, finance. This is exactly what a business impact analysis helps organizations determine before a disruption occurs. With this we come to the definition of business impact analysis. Business impact analysis is a systematic process used to identify and evaluate the potential effects of disruptions on critical business. In this volatile environment, there can be various causes of disruption: cyber attack, market shifts, natural disasters, system outages. Hence, BIA helps the businesses to run its critical operations smoothly during and after a disruption. Based on this, we can now figure out the advantages of BIA. First, identifies business critical processes. Second, enhances risk prioritization. Third, enables efficient use of resources. Fourth, improves organizations' resilience. Now we come to a very important question: how to conduct business impact analysis. The first step in conducting a business impact analysis is to identify the critical business activities and systems that are essential to the organization's operations and long-term survival. Once identified, these activities should be ranked based on their level of priority and business criticality. This can be achieved by conducting meetings or workshops with relevant stakeholders and process owners. During these discussions, each business function is reviewed. Its criticality is mapped based on the impact, low, medium or high, it would have on the organization. The second step in a business impact analysis is to assess how the impact of a disruption changes over time. The impact is typically evaluated across 4 key categories: financial impact, legal and compliance impact, operational impact, reputational impact. For each category, the impact is assessed over different time horizons, such as 0 to 4 hours, 4 to 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours, and beyond. The impact can be quantified in monetary terms wherever possible, such as 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, based on the organization's assessment criteria. Now, third step is to determine recovery requirements based on 3 important parameters. Recovery time objective. RTO is maximum acceptable downtime for a business activity before serious consequences occur. Recovery point objective. RPO is the maximum acceptable data loss measured in time. How far back must you recover? Maximum tolerable period of disruption. MTPD is the longest an activity can be unavailable before the organization faces existential risk. The next step is to identify all the critical dependencies required to support each business function, including people, technology, infrastructure, data, facilities, and suppliers. The final step is to document and present the BIA findings by compiling a comprehensive report, presenting the results to management, and advocating for the resources needed to strengthen business continuity and resilience. Business impact analysis is not just a BCP activity. It's a business tool which helps in strategic decision-making by the management. Let us understand why. Let's understand how business impact analysis helps different industries with a few practical examples. For banking, NBFC, if the core banking system fails, BIA ensures critical banking services are restored quickly to minimize customer and financial impact. For manufacturing, if a production system fails, BIA identifies critical operations and minimizes delays in manufacturing and deliveries. For healthcare, if the electronic medical records (EMR) system goes down, BIA prioritizes its recovery to ensure uninterrupted patient care. Now, let's conclude with the key takeaways from today's session. BIA identifies critical business processes and dependencies, helps determine recovery priorities and acceptable downtime, supports effective business continuity and disaster recovery planning, enhances organizational resilience against disruptions. I hope you found this video helpful. At Aumyaa Consulting Services, we transform business challenges into opportunities through expert consulting in business, technology, risk, ESG, and compliance. From strategy to implementation, we're your trusted partner in creating lasting impact. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.